Lesson 1. The Space Contingent. Yes, dear coworker, it is we who share this story with you. We've come from afar, and we do bring you jewels of information, but we've set up our laboratory some time ago, and we have much to share. We unite to form a union with you to help protect, instruct, and learn with you about these fractals, these crystal pyramids of light and living, these machines that echo the universe in their completeness. We work with others. We are a unit of many. Some are earthbound and in spirit. Some are earthbound and in flesh. Some are angelic in nature and have never been earthbound, but simply work with the higher forces in service to the earth. Some of us are as those people from space. We've traveled far to come do this work. It's an assignment we have given ourselves and is of long standing. We have learned much in the last 300 years and are ready to share it. We're anxious to begin because we have not yet worked with the crystals in conjunction with exploration on the Earth's surface. We have only pulled their energy into our realms to explore it and learn to work with it. Now we're anxious to see what it will do in conjunction with the Earth forces. Those of us who call ourselves Galatian are a unit, yet we can be divided into many parts. We join to assist one another in this work. We come from many schools of learning to bring our skills and understanding, to meld them into a working unit where proper function is to bring peace to earth. As an old wise man brought gifts to the babe, so we too bring jewels of precious value to the Christ consciousness, to the uplifted heart and mind, and we bear them for the sake of peace on earth and goodwill to all. Precious jewels formed by the earth herself are now ready to provide their services, and we must, like the wise men, bring them to the Christ child, the consciousness of Christ within, and provide them a means for their service. These jewels of the earth are brought to serve the earth, and we are the implements of devotion, devoted to the prospect of the Christ consciousness in everyone, filling the earth with light. We work with these fractals of light and living, these crystals, knowing that they have the potential to generate much activity that will assist us in our task. We come now to join you and to dictate this story, this primer, that we might all more fully understand one another and work in more open harmony. You too are a unit in Galatian. Those of you who dwell in earth. Those of you who have committed yourselves to working with crystals are a unit in the Galatian source and are bound to be most active on the earth plane. We need you to assist us, else we could not implement our task into the third dimension. Someone has to be there also, you understand, to hold the energy, to receive the information, to work in conjunction with the rest of the units in Galatian is your chosen task. We are glad to communicate more openly with you, largely due to the fact that we now have a scribe. Communication is somewhat difficult between the several layers of dimensions. Vibrations come haltingly when they are transposed from one frequency to another. We're fortunate when we have a channel who can speak in both vibrations at once and reach out into the different levels to help us communicate. Our scribe will let us know from time to time when a new publication is needed, and we will oblige by sending the proper information through for the necessary training for the moment. It is a work and learn as you go situation for all of us, for none of us have been here before. We are coming back, yes. We have been on Atlantis, and worked in many other places as well, with jewels akin to those we now approach. There is a difference, however. These are purer, of higher quality, more refined. None of us have ever been here before. The space contingent is essential to what we humans are and what we are to be.